Alright, let's talk about hardhatwatches.com.au. You've probably seen their ads promising tough smartwatches built for tradies, with bold claims like Aussie made and loaded with features at a bargain price. But are these watches actually worth your hard-earned cash? Digging into customer reviews, here's what I found. A lot of people are calling hard hat watches a scam, or at least a bit dodgy. Here's why. First up, the drop shipping allegations. Many buyers say the watches are generic models you can find on AliExpress for 30 or 40 bucks. Hard Hat just slaps on their logo and sells them for way more. Then there's quality. Plenty of tradies report their watch died after just a couple of weeks. Screens dying, buttons jamming, you name it. And those big feature claims? Stuff like GPS tracking is often missing, and the Aussie-made badge? Tracking numbers show packages shipped from Hong Kong or China. If you run into trouble, don't expect much help. The 6-month warranty and 90-day money-back guarantee sound great, but reviewers say customer support is basically non-existent. Emails go unanswered, or you just get excuses. But hey, it's not all bad news. Some tradies on Reddit mention the watches work fine for basic stuff, like telling the time and counting steps, especially if you snag one on sale. Just don't expect it to survive a year on site or live up to all those marketing claims. Bottom line, Hard Hat Watches isn't an outright scam, but you're rolling the dice. If you want a basic cheap beater watch and don't mind potential hassles, maybe it's worth a shot. But if you want real quality and proper support, it might be time to look at brands with better reputations. So what do you reckon? Would you risk it for a bargain? Or do you want to see some legit tough watches for tradies?